A long time ago, when at Fruits & Co. we were still a small company, I subscribed to a credit insurance policy. From the very beginning, our growth carried on at a constant pace. And from a handful of clients, we now have many all over the continent. Serviced from 5 branches, as our business grew, so did the time needed to manage our policy. And I realized that there was a risk that our accountant could miss an important action, like the adjustment of credit limits to our outstandings, or the monitoring of deadlines for declarations. So when Coface mentioned a solution which would allow me to secure my policy management, I decided to look into it. Their solution, Cofanet PolicyMaster, provides additional services to those already offered by Cofanet, their online policy management tool.
The concept of Cofanet PolicyMaster is to automate tasks by taking straightforward information from your accounting system. To set it going, you will need to upload selected accounting information such as your invoice ledger. Then Cofanet PolicyMaster does the rest, starting with the calculation of your outstanding balance for each buyer. One of the most time-consuming tasks is the following up of credit limits, permanently checking that they are in line with the outstandings. This following up is now done by PolicyMaster, and if a credit limit is not used, or if you have an outstanding above the credit limit, this appears on a specific dashboard. You just need to click on the non-covered amount, and you can either modify or validate the new credit limit straight away. On a different level, through its automatic reminder system, you will be sent an alert every time a timeline is about to be reached. Cofanet PolicyMaster will send you reminders if the maximum credit period is reached and if the time limit for claims notification is about to expire. You can initiate the actions from the dashboard listing the unpaid invoices and select those which require completion. The yellow alert is the sign a notification of overdue accounts has to be sent to us about that particular invoice. The system not only reminds you of deadlines, it also drafts for you the notification of all past due invoices concerned. Here again, if you do not need to modify the draft, you just press Send and the notification is complete. The same applies to turnover declarations. The deadline is monitored and a draft is prepared from the invoices previously uploaded into Cofanet PolicyMaster. You can then amend the amount per buyer and validate.
Thanks to Cofanet PolicyMaster, the benefits of my contract are enhanced, while my operational risk and my workload are reduced. Plus, in our case, it came with an additional benefit. It puts me in a better position with regard to my bank.
A complimentary service comes with Cofanet PolicyMaster called Cofanet CashMaster. It provides your bank with a secured certificate giving evidence of the level of cover granted to each of your clients and the covered invoices, therefore providing an enhanced collateral.
I used to make my bank the beneficiary of the claim, but I could tell that my banker was nervous about the level of cover, as he accepted fewer invoices than I wanted.
Cofanet CashMaster gives a list of invoices for financing. By making a selection, you can generate a draft certificate for submission to the bank. As soon as the bank confirms the actual amount of financing, you can validate the issuance of the final certificate of cover, and Coface will directly notify your bank in a quick and secure manner.
In principle, I will always accept the invoices certified by Coface as fully covered, but I'm more cautious on those which are only partially covered. If payments are late, the system sends me alerts notifying me that my client should take the appropriate actions. Therefore, I can keep an eye on the money until it comes in.
The operational risk related to the management of the covers is therefore reduced. In the end, Cofanet CashMaster is a win-win solution for the insurance holder and the bank. The bank is more confident and increases its trade receivables financing, which is a sound, diversified, and secured funding of corporates. As the insurance holder's invoices are more likely to be financed, he increases substantially the value of his credit insurance policy. Get the best out of your Cofanet platform by adding PolicyMaster and CashMaster. Coface, for safer trade.